stop stressing over your content. The HomeReel Marketing Kit empowers you to effortlessly build and customize social media posts, print materials, and dedicated property websites all in one place. To get started, simply include the marketing kit when booking your project. Once your media is finalized, you'll receive a completion email containing a direct link to your new assets. Click it, and you'll see that the heavy lifting is already done. The system automatically generates a sleek single property website, professional print-ready materials, and a full set of social media graphics all ready to post. The best part? You have total creative control. You can easily customize property details and design elements to perfectly match your vision. Once your design is ready, sharing and downloading are just a click away. The marketing kit is designed to save you hours of work while making your listings look amazing. Make sure to select it on your next order to start marketing smarter. If you have any questions while you explore the dashboard, we're always here to help.